Hey guys, it's Jenny. So I'm going to be showing you how to make your text transparent. So I have my clip right here. I'm going to go to File, New, and Legacy Title. Add my text. Let's just put transparent. Oh well, I spelled that wrong. Okay. Let's just put transparent. And we're going to go ahead and add our text. I'm going to make this bigger so you guys can see. Make sure it's centered, and I'm gonna change the font. I'm gonna be using this one right here, so it needs to be a little bit bigger so you guys can see. Okay, and now let's just drag that on top of our clip. So go ahead and click on your text, make sure it's selected, go to Effect Controls, and right here where it says Blend Mode, you're gonna change this to overlay, and there you go. And yeah, it's that easy. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you guys in my next video.